The Linksys E8450 dual-band AX3200 Wi-Fi 6 router delivers enhanced speed, range, and security for all your networking needs. With AX3200 speeds, you'll be able to swiftly stream HD videos, surf, email, play games online, and chat. In this video, you will get to know more about the Linksys E8450. The Linksys E8450 features easy mesh technology that allows you to set up a mesh system. With the latest firmware, you will be able to add additional easy mesh child nodes to extend your Wi-Fi. Supports parent and child modes with the latest firmware, has dual-band AX3200 up to 3.2 gigabits per second, 802.11ax wireless technology, 4x4 spatial streams, multi-user MIMO technology, beamforming technology, easy browser-based setup, parental controls, guest network, Wi-Fi protected setup or WPS, and coverage of up to 2,500 square feet. Its back panel features buttons, ports, and switch such as 4 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, 1 gigabit Internet WAN port, WPS button, reset button, power switch rocker style, power port. The router is 156 millimeters long, 77.11 millimeters wide, and 220 millimeters high, and weighs 638 grams. In terms of USB specifications, it has one USB 2.0 port, supports SMB version 2 up to 900 mAh current draw, and supports the following file systems: FAT, FAT32, NTFS, and HFS Plus, journaled and non-journaled. The Linksys E8450's light behavior indicates the following. A blinking blue power light indicates that the router is starting up or WPS is pairing. If the power light is blinking yellow, it indicates that the WPS pairing failed. When the internet light is solid blue, it means that the router is connected to the internet. If the internet light is solid yellow, the router is not connected to the internet. A solid blue Ethernet light indicates that a client device is connected to a port. If the Ethernet light is blinking blue, it means that there is activity. To know more about the Linksys E8450 dual-band AX3200 Wi-Fi 6 router, check out our other videos or visit www.linksys.com/support.